All right now we're getting a breaking update as far as the Panama Papers probe that is concerned. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, actor Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, we are told, is at the ED office there in Mumbai. Earlier, the actor had sought for more time from the investigators, but she had been summoned in the multi-agency probe into the Panama Papers probe. And the actor earlier who had sought for more time, currently we are told she is at the ED office there in Mumbai. This is coming across as a breaking update as far as what is being said, that the actor earlier had also sought time from the investigative agency on 2 occasions in the past, and the plea for adjournment that was also made to the special investigation team as well. All right, she's in Delhi. I beg your pardon, a small correction there. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan is at the ED office in Delhi. Alisha, can you give us more details? Because the actor had sought for more time and now we believe she's here in New Delhi. We just lost the line with Alisha. But we are told that Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, who was summoned by the authorities in the Panama Papers case, and it has been confirmed on the same when she has now been appearing before the investigators, and this is at the ED office in Delhi. Alisha, over to you for details, please. Well, the case that had made headlines in 2017, after which summons was sent out to many of those actors, including Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, when it comes to also now the Panama Papers probe that had found a mention of Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, and the investigators had summoned her previously as well. Alisha, can you hear me now? Please take us through the details.
Well, Amita, as you know, that Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has already reached and she has appeared before the Delhi Special Investigation Team, where she was earlier summoned by the Enforcement Directorate in the 2016 Panama Papers.
2016 Panama Papers, Global Tax Leak Papers. We are outside the ED office, but right now, importantly, what the latest update that we know that Aishwarya Rai Bachchan was already reached the Delhi Special Investigation Team, where she will be questioned. And earlier in the same case, where the Enforcement Directorate has been already been looking after the matter, where Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Amitabh Bachchan has been asked. Amitabh Bachchan has been asked to submit the reports, but importantly, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, who were asked to dispose before the agency in Delhi, has now reached to Delhi before the agency, and now she will be questioned. She will be questioned in the same case. Earlier, before we know that she and her father-in-law Amitabh Bachchan, who has already been asked to submit the reports and the documents which is being submitted by their representative. And now, when the new summons which was issued to Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, who was asked to depose before the agency in connection with the 2016 Panama Papers Global Tax Leak case, where Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has already reached and she will be questioned, or we have to wait and watch what exactly the further course of action, because where the ongoing case of the Panama Papers probe, where not only Enforcement Directorate but Income Tax Department has also been looking into the matter. But with the latest visual which we can see on a television, where Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has reached Delhi, she has appeared before the Special Investigation Team.
Alisha, just stay on with us. I'm told Shravan is also joining us with more details. Aishwarya, now being a part of the investigation, the probe that is being carried out with the Panama Papers, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, we are told, is at the Delhi ED office.
Well, in fact, we are given to understand that Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has now appeared before the Enforcement Directorate. This is after almost multiple summons were basically sent out. In fact, she has basically sought for 2 adjournments in this entire matter. As far as this case is concerned, remember, the first set of summons were basically issued in the year 2017 in the month of October, where not just Aishwarya Rai Bachchan but her husband Abhishek Bachchan, as well as we are also being told that Amitabh Bachchan was summoned. Now, as far as this case is concerned, important to point out that this is a case which basically surfaced in the year 2017 with regards to offshore tax investments that were basically made. These investments were basically made to evade taxes in the country. Now, that's the basic allegation that was leveled against Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and several others also, not just her, but there are several others who have basically figured in the list that was published in the year 2017. Now, as far as this case is concerned, this is not only being investigated by the Enforcement Directorate. We're given to understand the Income Tax Department is also probing this entire matter. Remember, this actually, there was a demand, in fact, for a special investigation team to enter into this entire matter. However, the Supreme Court at that point in time had intervened and said that there was no requirement of an SIT. And that is the reason why the Enforcement Directorate currently is probing this entire matter. On 9th of November is when the fresh summon was issued to Aishwarya Rai Bachchan under Section 37 of the FEMA Act, is what we are being told. She had already sought for adjournments in the past, and thereafter there was no permission that was basically granted by the Enforcement Directorate, and finally she was asked to appear. As of now, sources within the agency essentially indicating that the actor has now appeared before the Enforcement Directorate. This is for the first time that Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's statement will be recorded by the Enforcement Directorate.
Right, because what is being suggested, Shravan, that the actor's name also featured, and it featured in a list of over 500 Indians who were named in that massive leak that had happened. But as we speak to you, Shravan, those are the live in the first pictures that we are playing right outside the ED office in Delhi, where Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has been summoned. And this is not happening for the first time. Earlier to appear on 2 occasions also, she had been summoned by the investigative agency. But as you are saying, when it comes to agency wanting to record her statement, will that be done as well, Shravan?
Well, as far as the statement is concerned, Abhita, important to point out here is that her statement is being recorded under Section 37 of the FEMA, which is basically a forex violation. That's the allegation, which is basically that an investment base that is done abroad in an offshore location primarily to evade taxes. Now, that's the basic allegation, and it is a contravention of the forex laws. Keeping that in mind, the Enforcement Directorate is basically investigating this entire matter. Now, as far as Aishwarya Rai Bachchan is concerned, she also, as per the Panama Papers, which were published by a consortium of newspapers, essentially had indicated that these were companies that were based abroad in offshore locations, and from where there was a beneficiary, there was multiple beneficiaries to this, and that is the reason why in the past Abhishek Bachchan was also called in for questioning.